Hello everyone, welcome. I am Lucas, and everything that you see on the video is actually what you will get on your own computer up and running. So together we are going to create this really addictive parking game from scratch. So we will starting from a blank scene and adding small features until we end up with the entire playable game. And in this course I will guide you on how can we add the wheels collider that Unity provides, how can we create a really intuitive and powerful code to control the vehicles and control the wheel colliders, and we of course need to make the parking spot logic. So I will teach you a few programming tricks to make this more organized and of course powerful. And we will also be creating the parking lot environment itself from scratch using simple models that I will provide you through this course, and also adding some foliage and making the scene looking playable and beautiful. And of course we need some lighting to make this look good, and I will teach you a trick that we can combine real-time lighting with the baked lights and make this beautiful at runtime using a technology called the Adaptive Probe Volumes, APV, from Unity. And finally we'll be working on improving the visuals, polishing the game using the post-processing. And well, of course we need to build the game itself so we can share with anyone that we want. And if you like the idea and if you like easy to follow tutorials, I will be teaching you in this course. See you!